welcome to another video. And yes, guess what? We're trying to beat the setting sun again. Oh man, it's just crazy. There's just never enough time these days. But anyway, enough of all that rigmarole. Let's get into this video because we're going to be talking about Fire Dragon gel. Now, some of you guys already know how cool this stuff is, but a lot of you guys who have never seen this before, stay tuned because you're in for a treat. Now, believe it or not, this gel here can float on water and stay lit. Yes, you can cook fire. You can cook with fire on water. How cool is that? Don't believe me? Well, let me bring you in a bit closer and show you this awesome little trick. Alrighty, so here we have the little pouch. Now this, I recommend that everyone gets in a bug out bag or some bag of some description, because there is enough fuel in this bag to light many fires, and you only need a little bit. Alright, you only need a tiny bit. So you get all your kindling, your twigs together, everything's ready and prepared. You add this and you will not lose. Okay, so let's open this up. Just love the way it comes in these pouches. It's so easy to use. And we're going to put some on here. Let me see, where should we put it? Right there. There we go. Loads of different things you can do with this, so I'll go over that later. But for now, if the lighting's right, watch this. Can you see that? Yes, that is gel on water, well and truly lit. You can blow it and it just reignite again. It's wicked stuff, absolutely brilliant. And yes, this is water. You can tell it's water. That is pretty cool. I love that. The good thing about this as well, you can blow it out very easy, and all of that gel there you can collect and reuse again, and it will work again. That is awesome. Right, okay, so this, the gel is still in that little pool of water. In fact, let's see if it still works. Yeah, there we go. Can you see that? I don't know if you can because it's dark out in there. It's really, the sun is dropping pretty rapid. So, man, I just love this stuff so much. Here we go. That's all well and good if you've got a lighter. So, let's see, whereabouts are we there? About there I do. Okay. So we squeeze a bit there. Also, this is awesome for cleaning your hands. Okay, the amount of alcohol in there, especially what's going on at the moment, if you're that way inclined, you've got so much alcohol, it's crazy. It just kills anything it touches. So we've got a ferro rod and we've got a file. So hopefully doesn't take much. Can you see that? So let's bring that camera in and show you. And if you wanted to, you could just take your twigs, light it from that and go on to somewhere else and light another fire. If you love lighting fires, of course. That one's gone out. And that, I mean, how beautiful is that? They'll burn for ages too. They really do. And in high winds and rain, they keep going. Yeah, I just wish we had better light, but if you was to have a look where I am, the sun went down beyond that ridge about 15 minutes ago, and yeah, we're losing light pretty quick. I was trying to get the lighting just right to show all of this. You know, too bright, not good. Just right. Oh, that looks just right. How about that? So yeah, now that is absolutely wicked. And like I said, you can blow it out easy, and any time you want to relight it, or you can divvy that up move it around to light other fires. That will carry on lighting fires for hours and hours after this. It's that simple. Very controllable, biodegradable, no chemicals and nasties in there. Really, it's amazing stuff. So there we have it, little and large, our two latest friends. Now, as I said, a lot of you guys would probably know about this already, but some of you guys, I mean, the amount of people that are contacting me lately getting into the prepping game is absolutely incredible. It seriously is, it's mad. So I thought, well, rather than keep replying to all these questions and comments and DMs and emails and texts and things, just do a video and show it. But as luck would have it, these are available on a very, very cool website. Veteran owned. The guy is just started, as you probably see from previous videos that I've done about him, and the prices are insanely cheap. You probably wouldn't get them cheaper in the UK. They are that good. So I will put a link under the video. Look at the arrow underneath the video, click on that and it will give you links to get this stuff, and or click show more, whatever you need to do, whether it's a desktop or your phone. The information will be under this video. What I might try and do is try and stick it in a pinned comment so you guys can find it nice and easy. So yep, Fire Dragon, it's made in the UK, it's eco-friendly. By all means, check on the website to see how this fares in the field. I mean, this has had raving reviews for years now, and I'm so glad that they've put it in some wicked packaging, because I don't know if you're like me, but when you get like toothpaste and things, you want to try and get everything out of the end. You get a tin of soup and you're using it to cook with, and you put some boiling water in there and shake it around because you want to get all of it out. You're probably like me, so there's no waste. With the old little plastic bottles, you probably had about a quarter left in there, which you had problems getting out, okay? So let's face it, if we're talking survival situations and things, the last thing you want to do is to add extra things onto getting your fire going. Something like this, quick, simple, squeeze it, put it away, I mean, it can go in your smock. It's that cool, all right? So make sure that you check this website out where the guy's got this for sale, and support him, because as I say, it's new to the game, new business, homegrown in the UK, and is a veteran, and we need to support our veterans in times like this. So tell him I sent you, and by all means, get a little pack just to try it out yourself, see how you get on. I'll guarantee you're going to love it and order more, because these, I'm putting them in bags all over the place, because they last years, all right? I've had, what is it, the plastic bottle when they first come out, I think it was 2013, and I opened it and it's still right as rain. It says 8 years minimum that they will stay okay for, all right? So there you have it. Check the links below, support him, grab yourself some before they're all gone, because stocks will go eventually. But thanks for watching and stay funky.